Welcome to the EZU video on AutoPay and the Payable Worklist Report for Agency Bill Finances in EZLynx Accounting. This video is a step-by-step training to complete the task of using AutoPay and the Payable Worklist Report to assist with agency bill workflows. We will not cover every button or feature on the pages you see, as we have a mission to complete. To learn about every button or feature, check out the videos we reference throughout the training. Please keep in mind that to fully grasp the concepts we cover in this course, you should first watch our accounting agency bill workflow video. In this course, you will learn how to use AutoPay to create agency bill checks and how to use the Payable Worklist Report to track all your payables. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. The first objective on our list is how to use AutoPay to create agency bill checks. An alternative way to create checks when you have several payables that need to be paid to the carrier or producers is by using AutoPay. When you create a check with AutoPay, the system will automatically add all the line items that need to be paid to the carrier or producer onto the check, for the entire balance that is currently owed. To utilize the AutoPay feature to create checks, hover over the accounting icon and click Payables. Next, click AutoPay. Here you will work this page from left to right. First, start by setting the appropriate filters. The date range will default to show all the open payables, but can be narrowed to a specific date range using the date range filters. The payee type allows you to only filter specific types of payees when creating checks. To unselect, just uncheck the box next to the payee type you don't want to see, or you can use the All or None buttons. The additional options that need to be reviewed when creating checks are Paid in Full only and include credits. The Paid in Full only option will only include agency bill payables where a receipt has been applied to the invoice for producer and billing company payables. The Include Credits option will include any negative line items for commission or billing company payables. This box should always be checked when using AutoPay. The Branches drop-down is available for agencies with multiple branches in EZLynx to select the applicable location. When ready, click the Apply button to load all payables for your search criteria. Now, check the box next to the payee or payees. You can click inside the box next to the payee column title to select all of the open payables at once. Because we're focusing on AutoPay for checks, leave the Credit/EFT box unselected for each payable item. This will allow for EZLynx to send the checks to QuickBooks for printing. Next, check the Submit box for each of the payable items. Finally, select the bank account in which the money will be drawn for AutoPay, then click Create Checks. If additional payable items need to be dispersed from another bank account, then you'll need to repeat these steps for those payments. To learn more about the pages we covered, check out our How to Use AutoPay feature and Agency Bill Commissions, Agency Bill Accounting workflow videos. The second objective on our list is how to use the Payable Worklist to keep track of all your payables. The Payable Worklist Report provides a clean and clear view of the statuses of all your payables. For each and every payable, it will show you when the payable is due, the amount owed, the amount received from the customer, the amount paid, and the net amount that is still due. To utilize the Payable Worklist Report, hover over the accounting icon and click on Reporting. Now, click on the Payables tab, then select the Payable Worklist Report. When the report opens, set the payee type and as of date. Next, set the payable due date from. These payables will be based off the invoice. It's a good rule of thumb to expand the date range here to see all of the commissions that need to be paid out. Now, set the payable due date to. This will allow you to include any future effective policies. We suggest setting this date out a whole month or two to see the best results. For unpaid only, select Yes. This will ensure that the report only shows commissions not added to a check. You can use the option Show Invoice Detail to show you more or less details within the report. You can even choose to see the report for a single branch or all of the branches within your agency. You can also group by branches. Please keep in mind that the payment terms will affect when payables hit the report. For example, a payment term for producers and billing companies set to days from effective date means that the payable will post on the effective date of the policy. Admins can learn how to configure payment terms and accounting settings by watching our Accounting Setup and Settings video. Once you have the report settings in place, click Run Report. Here, we'll see a full list of payables to be paid within the time range set. Should you need to change any of the parameters, make sure to click Run Report after doing so. If the report has multiple pages, you can use the arrow buttons to navigate. If you wish to, you can export the report in various formats, including PDF, CSV, RTF, TIFF, and Web Archive. Once you select the format of your choosing, click the highlighted text export and the report will download to your computer. Additionally, you can print the report by clicking on the printer icon. To learn more about the pages we covered, check out our agency bill commissions, agency bill accounting workflow, and how to enter receipts, finalize deposits, and run reports videos. That's all for this EZU course on how to utilize AutoPay and the Payable Worklist report for agency bill finances in EZLynx accounting. Thanks for watching.